Next element I am going to explain is arc. In order to draw arc in AutoCAD, there are 11 options. The first option is 3-point method. In 3-point methods, you have to specify the 3 points on the periphery of the arc element. First, you have to specify the start point of the arc, then you have to specify the second point of the arc, then finally you have to specify the end point of the arc. The second method is start, center, and in order to use this option, you have to specify the start point first, then the center point, and finally the end point. Take that option. You have to specify the start point first, and then you have to specify the center point of the arc, and finally you have to specify the end point of the arc. Finally, you have to specify the end point of the arc. First, you have to specify the start point and then center point. Then you have to specify the end point of the arc. The third method is start, center, angle. You have to specify the start point first, and then you have to specify the center point. Then you have to specify the included angle. You can type the included angle. For example, I type 45 degree as the included angle. The fourth method is start, center, length. You have to take that option. You have to take that option and specify the start point, and then specify the center point, and then specify the chord length of the arc. For example, I type 100 as the chord length. This 100 is nothing but the length of the chord of the arc. This is the chord length. Then the fifth option is start and angle. You have to specify the start point first, second the end point, and finally the angle. First you have to specify the start point, then end point of the arc. You have to specify the angle using keyboard and press enter key in the keyboard. This is start and angle method. Next option is start and direction. First you have to specify the start point, second you have to specify the end point, and finally you have to specify the direction of the tangent at the start point of the arc using mouse. The seventh method is start and radius. Take that option. First you have to specify the start point, secondly you have to specify the end point, and finally you have to specify the radius value. Take the radius value and press enter. The eighth method is center, start, end. You have to specify the center point first, then start point, and finally the end point. You have to specify the center point first, and secondly the start point, and then in the end point of the arc. This center, start, end. Ninth one is center, start, angle. First you have to specify the center point, then start point, and then the included angle. I type this included angle as 60 units, 60 degree. The 10th method for drawing arc is center, start, length. First specify the center point, then start point, and specify the length of the chord. Type this length as 100. The last method for drawing an arc is continue method. This method starts a arc from the last specified point. This end point of the line is the last specified point. When using this option for drawing an arc, continue option, the arc will automatically start from the end point of the line. Again, you take this continue option, the arc will start from the end point of the arc. End point of the arc. Again, will you take, the arc will start from this end point of the arc. This is the 11 methods for drawing arc in AutoCAD.